Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Nosey Animatronic review. So it might be wondering, what is Nosey Animatronic here? So the Nosey Animatronic is a viral internet project created by TikTok content creator Benjamin Puchurek, now also known as Citra. Now, according to the creator, the project involves building a 10-foot tall rabbit-like animatronic called Nosey, which is intended to be fireproof, waterproof, bulletproof, capable of moving quietly, and eventually able to run at speeds up to like 32 miles per hour. Now, the project first gained attention in 2025 through a series of progress videos showing the construction process, quickly becoming one of TikTok's biggest robotics and horror themed trends. Now, one of the reasons the project became so popular is its appearance. Nosey resembles the large mascot-style characters commonly seen in horror games such as Five Nights at Freddy's and the Walton Files. Uh, the creator regularly posts updates showing the robotics frame, head, and body being assembled, which has led to millions of views and reaction videos, so memes and online discussions. So many viewers here believe the robot. Or many viewers initially believed the robot was fully functional because of how realistic the videos appeared. As you can see in the videos, they do look really realistic here. Now, as the project spread across TikTok here, YouTube, and other social media platforms, many of the videos also began claiming that Nosey had escaped and was chasing people or was already roaming outside. However, many of these clips have been identified as AI-generated or edited videos created for entertainment rather than genuine footage. Now, while Benjamin Pachorek here is building a large animatronic prop, there is no verified evidence yet that Nosey is an autonomous robot capable of silently hunting people. So running at 32 miles per hour or possessing the extraordinary abilities often described in viral posts here. So if you do try checking his TikTok page here, as you can see, he is still building the animatronic here. But yeah, so the project itself appears to be a mix of robotics and practical prop building here, and the marketing of internet horror. Now, much of its popularity comes from encouraging viewers to wonder whether the robot is real or fictional, which has helped it become a viral phenomenon and across multiple social media platforms. So yeah, that's essentially what the Nosey animatronic is. So it is a viral internet project created around a giant rabbit-like robot that combines robotics, horror aesthetics, and social media storytelling. So yeah, so that's about it. So if I found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.